everyone, it's Dr. Dalton with Seven Bridges Chiropractic. I'm here with one of my patients, Jose, or no way Jose. And it is Tasty Tuesday, and he brought me donuts, and I am super excited. There's a new donut shop, Dofi, that opened up here in Jacksonville, and he brought a creme brulee donut, which looked amazing, and a strawberry sprinkle one. So I know you guys get to see this on Wednesday, but it's Tuesday here for me. Jose came to me, it's probably been 2-3 months now. He was living up in New York, decided to retire down here, and was just having some body aches, wanting to get his wellness and health under, just keep everything going good. So came in with some aches and some pains, but has been feeling pretty good just with some tension and stiffness now that we work out. Does that sound about right?
Absolutely right. Yeah.
All right. Anything you want to add?
Just happy to have found Dr. T, thanks to Facebook and word of mouth also. She was highly recommended, and I made it over, made an appointment, and I've been here ever since and enjoy coming here and getting the adjustments and excellent care and wonderful service, and
Awesome.
just happy.
We'll go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell to get the latest notifications. My videographer is cringing with how I just did that in the background, but he'll get over it. So how's your week looking?
Nice. Been, busy helping out the family as usual.
Being your normal
Yeah,
family Uber.
Normal Uberness style.
I know everyone was on vacation last time I saw you. Everyone have a good trip?
Yes, great. One of them is leaving, matter of fact, tomorrow to spend time with her daughter again. But they're going overseas to Galapagos Island.
Ooh.
And through work, my cousin got a special trip. So it's like a work/business kind of thing.
That'll be cool.
And she was able to bring one lucky guest, and her mom, my older cousin, was the lucky winner.
That's so nice of her to take her mom with her.
Wonderful, yeah. So it's like a combination Mother's Day, birthday, because her birthday was a few days after mine. And she'll be out of the house for a few days.
That'll be...
Their first time going, so they're super excited.
That's cool. Have you been down to the Galapagos?
No, never.
Me either.
Through YouTube.
Yeah. Man, YouTube can connect you with a lot of things. Go ahead and go on your back for me.
Come on, Dr. T, let's go.
Let's go.
On YouTube.
All right, everyone. Our next video is going to be in the Galapagos Islands. Who wants to fund that? Yeah, the coolest place I've got to travel and do chiropractic was Jamaica. We did a medical mission trip when we were in school.
Really?
That was really cool to see. We delivered backpacks to the kids about to start school too. We were down there in August.
That's awesome.
And
how long were you down there for?
We were down there a week. And so we got to build a house for a family. We got to do chiropractic care, and then we got to make those backpacks. So it was an overall giving week. It was cool.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's awesome.
You a little tender right there.
Mm-hmm.
And probably right there too. You been having any headaches? Have you been feeling good?
No headaches at all.
Good. Good.
Yeah, thankfully I'm one of those lucky people. I don't get headaches.
Yeah. You're just really tight right up here, and sometimes that can contribute to them. So I always like to ask if I feel that.
Could a big part of that be due to how I sleep? Because sometimes I grab my arm and I tuck it under my pillow.
It can be, yeah. Is it always that side?
For the most part.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that can create some of that.
Mm-hmm.
Chris girls here.
I'm learning to, switch, sleep as much as I can.
It is so hard to change sleep positions. I have people ask me about that all the time, and it's like, sleeping on your back or sleeping on your side with pillows is the best way to do it.
I'm
but
more comfortable on the right, so I'm like, okay, I gotta switch it because I know it's good, you know, for your inside, digestion, all that fun stuff. So I try to begin
on your
my
left.
sleep at night on my left, and then I wind up on the right anyways.
Yeah, go ahead and roll so you're facing me. Yeah, sleeping positions is, I have been trying to train myself to change how I sleep, and it's just not going so well. Then roll. Good. And then on your other side, that was nice.
I've been working on getting to bed earlier too, so
Yeah.
it's been helping a lot. It's very important.
Sleep is important. And I know you said you've been doing some more activity and exercise. Let your body roll with me. There we go. Now on your belly.
Yes, and I'll stop at the park on my way back.
How far are you walking?
Distance, I really don't know. I do about at least minimum 20-minute walk. But
Okay.
I go to the park by me. It's right along the river, St. John's River. So they have, you know, like a walking trail. And I do about 3-4 laps. I just keep going around.
The river's pretty when you get to walk
it's
along it.
beautiful. Yeah.
Have you ever gone and walked the one downtown?
No, not yet. That's on my bucket list too.
It's nice. You can either cross a bridge or you can just stay either on the north or the south bank, and
Oh wow.
they both have pretty views.
Oh okay. That's a good trail.
The south bank one is rather short. The north bank goes pretty much all the way from Ram. Have you've been to Ram, right? Riverside Arts Market.
Oh.
You need to go. I can't believe you haven't done that. You better go this
So many
weekend.
things to do.
Good. When you're what were you saying?
No, I was gonna say I feel like a twisted donut.
I was gonna say when you're good, you're ready to come on up.
Oh my.
Donuts are on the brain today.
Yeah.
Awesome. How's that feeling?
Great.
Great.
Thank you.
Well, guys, thank you for staying tuned with our channel. We will see you next week for our next video.